Hi. Did you know that 85% of the CEOs who were surveyed said that digital transformation is vital to the survival of their organization? And yet we see that almost 90 to 95% of the projects they are undertaken on digital transformation fail. How do you reconcile these two facts? I am Mohan and I will take you through some of the points on digital transformation, how to do it right and how it fails and what points need to be taken care of. Digital transformation projects tend to aim very high. Maybe they look for 2 times or 3 times or even 10 times in the business benefits they're aiming for. So one of the first things which comes to mind in people is that they don't know what's out there. They don't know the latest technologies to be used. And often the people who know the latest technologies to be used are not the same people who decide strategy on how the company should operate for business benefits. So this is the first thing which is a stumbling block in most companies. The second most important thing is, okay, we know the latest technologies and the people who know the technologies and the people who decide the strategy of the company are both aligned. Then we come to the question, which of these technologies do we utilize for? The right way to go about this is, you should have empathy towards your customer. What does your customer want? What are the pain points of your customer? Customer empathy is one of the starting points for building a new business model. So that becomes the most important point as to what technology should be used for. So once you know what your customer is looking for and you have empathy towards the customer, then the next question is, which is the exact use case I need to concentrate on? And how do I use these new technologies to achieve something which my customer would say, wow, this is exactly what I wanted. And this thinking, which is a very difficult thing to do, is achieved by what is called design thinking workshops. These design thinking workshops look at the problems of the customer, they detail what the customer is going through and what they want to do, and then bridge this gap either by a change in process or by a new process or by eliminating the process or by adopting a totally new process which nobody has ever thought of before by these new technologies. In any case, we arrive at what is to be done. So, the 3 steps we are seeing are: 1, we know what is possible. 2, we see what of this subset we can use. 3 is, what exactly are we using it for? The next step would be how we are going to use these processes. In spite of the best efforts and in spite of the best intentions of all the people, as we said before, 90 to 95% of the projects fail. And why is that? So I have observed some 8 points which you might find relevant to your projects, and if these are the things tripping up, then you may want to look at these points.